gel. Apply effective relief.
People often ask, how can I improve my vision? I tell them the secret is to stay focused. And of course, it's important to have great vision. I need to be able to look down the line, focusing clearly on the target. My advice, visit Optical Express, Europe's #1 provider